Hey guys, welcome to Hi. Wait, I'm gonna put them there on YouTube. I'm gonna put hi guys. Welcome to another vid. So XD, because that's what everybody does now. We are going to be playing Leave the facility. Yeah. Okay. So I'm a survivor. Wait, was the beast just there? Oh my gosh. I could have sworn I've seen the beast. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I don't want to die because I'm just a kid. Just kidding. I'm not telling you if I'm a kid or not. Well, you probably can tell by the voice, but still. I'm just a little girl. I have no intention to die. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Let's hack this computer. Okay. Yep. Guys. Just keep hacking until the beast comes. Hi, beast! Hi, it was nice to meet you. She's down there. Don't jump. Don't go down. Don't go down. No! No! Okay, we just gotta make it down here. Okay, wait. Cause I have a feeling she's just gonna try to find me or something. Which is a little creepy if you make the sound. Okay. Yes, there's a computer here. Oh, we only have 3 computers left already. Okay. Let's keep going. Boop, 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 boop. This is taking forever. Boop, 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 boom. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just waiting for you to load. Chimichangas, 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 chimmy. And I do not have glasses in real life. I just like the gangster glasses. And I usually don't wear them. I just decided to wear them because I like wearing the glasses on my avatar sometimes. But yeah. So if you see me with glasses, non-glasses in other games or in this game, because I'm gonna play this game more, then it's because I don't actually have them. I just like the way they look. I don't actually wear them basically. So you guys are wondering. Yes, I hacked it. Okay. Next one. Oh no. Jade, you two. I'll accept because I'm a good person. And I trust her. I need to find another computer. Come on, just one more computer. Yeah. He's left. No, my mouse won't move. No. Oh, I hate when that happens. I don't even know why it won't move. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah. This is just a short little game. So, because especially since the beast left. And I'm so sorry I have to keep doing this. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And let me jump. Bye guys.